or the Church of Assemblies of God.
Yeah, officials with Assemblies of God would not interview today, but did give me a statement. But that statement, along with the initial announcement,
A shocking prophecy fulfilled. Prophet E.G. Sibanda's 2024 prophecy concerning the Church of the Assemblies of God splitting. It has unfolded. Let's take a closer look.
Viewers all over the world, I've got a prophecy for a ministry that I would rather call the mother of the Pentecostal movement in Africa. That is the ministry or the Church of Assemblies of God. The Spirit of God, as I was praying for the body of Christ, gave me this particular prophetic message to give out to the leadership of this great movement of God, this great commission of God, named the Assemblies of God. There is an attack that is pending upon this particular ministry, this particular work, commission of God. I saw the enemy infiltrating through the ranks and shaking from within this church. I saw a division, and I saw this spiraling and catching up in almost all of its branches all over the world. And I saw a people threatening to come out of this church. But God said, I must speak this very clearly to the members of this great commission of God, that is the Assemblies of God. This is not the will of God. This is an attack. There are members, there are people who are in leadership who are orchestrating to break out from this.
And now tonight, a follow-up to a story we broke last night of the largest church in the Ozarks leaving its denomination. James River Church's sudden exit from the Assemblies of God is generating a lot of questions and buzz around the area. Ozarks' first Parker Paget is live outside the Assemblies World Headquarters in downtown Springfield. And Parker, what did the group's leaders tell you earlier today?
yeah, officials with Assemblies of God would not interview today, but did give me a statement. But that statement, along with the initial announcement from James River Church yesterday, did not list any specific reason why this separation happened or what happens next. Officials with the Assemblies of God have responded to the news of James River Church leaving their fellowship. In a statement given to Ozarks First, Don Miller, the superintendent for the Southern Missouri Ministry Network, says they are aware of James River's departure and says they're aware of the impact the massive church had and are thankful to have had the church included. Now, the statement doesn't say why, but says there is a process in place to work through, quote, matters of this nature, end quote, but it doesn't say what that process is or how it works. James River's initial announcement said the congregation would not change its